Turn on the stove, medium flame, turn the flame to fan, and add half cup of water, cold tap water. This is the plain sugar. Add a quarter cup of plain sugar to it. Going to turn the flame to the maybe to 10 to the high flame. This is the vegetable oil. We add one tablespoon vegetable oil to it. Where we make the caramel sugar for the braised chicken wings. So we just boil. You can use we use a quarter cup of sugar. You can add more. So we just slowly heat it. When the water is boiling, we turn the flame to 6. Turn to the medium high flame. We make the caramel sugar. You can add a quarter cup of sugar, plain sugar, or rocky sugar, and to make this, you can pick rocky sugar, or you can use the plain sugar to do this, to make the caramel sugar, to give for the braised chicken wings. You can add a quarter cup to half cup sugar. It's up to you. I don't want to, because I don't want to make it use too much sugar. If you don't have diabetes, you can add more sugar. It's no problem. Because it make it don't use too much sugar. You can see it's the water is really dry up, and right now it's like this. Then the color slowly will show up. You can still like this. Okay, the color slowly change. You can see. You can see start to get like this. You can see the color. Then we just keep going. We want to make it get brown. The brown color is what we want. This color, see, it slowly get dark. Get brown, dark brown. Then we just this is what we want. Keep going. Okay. Careful. Now, look. It's getting this color. This is what we want. You also can smell it. Okay. When it becomes this, we add the boiling water to it. Add careful, don't get too close. Okay. See? This is what we want. This is beautiful color. Okay, turn off the stove. We add this to a bowl, and we use it later. This is the caramel sugar water we get.